What's up, fam? It's your boy Vic, back at it again, trying to create these bangers for you guys. So today I'm pretty much just prepping for tomorrow to put all my stuff, kind of finishing touches on the JDM front Integra, but there's still some stuff left. But this is what I got going on pretty much. I got the Type R USDM back seats and these TE37's, gloss black, blue lettering with Nito tires wrapped around them. Got them babies inside Tahoe. The Padre let me borrow it. Got the hood as well, you can kind of see it. It's a little bit dark. Got them babies up there strapped, ready to go. Tomorrow, hopefully, we may or may not put that all in. But let's go ahead and hop in on to tomorrow, alright? Alright, fam, and just like that, and we're into the next day. Got this baby packed up. Borrowed my dad's Tahoe, like I said. We're going to be on our way to Atlanta Powerhouse Performance, so let's go ahead and get to it and get there real quick, like, and boom, just like that, people, we made it to Atlanta Powerhouse Performance. Let's go check out if they're in there, see where they're at, and see if we can drop off the stuff. Big thank you to the Padre for letting me borrow the Tahoe. You already know what's up. Let's go check them out, boy. Check them out, check them out. There she is, fam, there she is. So first things first, we're gonna go get the wheels, the TE37's, and see how they look on the car. And then after we get the wheels, we're gonna turn it on, all right? So let's get to them wheels real quick. Oh yeah, got two wheels in the back, got the other two up front. Start taking these babies off. Oh yeah, these babies hella light too. That's what's crazy. They're like 10 pounds and whatnot, I think, or something like that. Look at that, guys.
Isn't it good seeing all your hard work pay off?
Yeah, dude, it's freaking amazing to see my hard work finally put into... Oh yeah, the difference is crazy.
What's that squat look like on that side?
Alright, fam, the moment you guys been waiting for, and from what I told you guys from the last video about the wheels being different from what the ones that were on there, they are on and they are looking beautiful. And I'm gonna need you guys to comment what you think on the outcome of how they look, and then after that we're gonna turn it on for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into checking these babies out, alright? It's a 225/45. Oh, the back as well. Obviously, it is going to be lowered. It's a bit up high. Might lower it just about an inch or half an inch. We'll see how things look, just depending. But as you guys can tell, she's a monster. What you think, Harry?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. You guys heard it from the man himself. what you guys think. Drop a comment. These babies are hot. If you're not commenting on these babies, you don't know what you're doing on my YouTube. Alright? It is time to turn this baby on. Let's jump in the car and get ready for it. Look at this. She's not clean yet, but it's all good. Alright, let's turn her on. She's turned on. Put her in neutral. Prime it just a little bit. And let's see this baby turn on. Oh yeah. Y'all listen to that, baby. It sounds great. Woo. Mad excited for this, you guys. Mad excited. Yeah, it sounds stupid mean though, for real. And the headers are on. Sound good. I didn't tell them that. Heck yeah. We'll definitely adjust the height, get everything going. Yeah. It'll be nice. This thing will look clean. It'll be on the street soon. Alright, so what you guys think about that turn on, boy? This thing sounds great. Like, you guys don't see the smile on my face. That thing, stupid excited, my fam. Stupid excited. Make sure you comment, subscribe. Video's not done yet, but make sure you do that, because you already know your boy trying to make it up in the world. Trying to make a blow up. But look at him. Woohoo, boy. Don't look at me, because your boy ugly. But look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Oof. Too much sauce, my people. Too much sauce. We're gonna let her warm up and give her a few revs, right? It's gonna be nice. Oh yeah. The smile on my face is not gonna just smear off. So like, that's insane. I'm stupid excited. I can't wait. Dang it. Alright, we're gonna give it a few revs and see what it sounds like, alright? Let's see that baby. Boy, that sounds beautiful. Damn. That is awesome. You guys hear that action? That's that 4-banger action, you guys. That thing sounds beautiful. Like I said, make sure you comment. Let me know what you guys think of that sound. I can't wait till it's out in the street. I know you guys can't either. And we're going to slay the streets like they say. And I can't wait. I'm just too excited to even talk. But yeah, all that good stuff. Alright fam, so that's going to be it for this video. I sincerely thank you all for watching, staying tuned, going through the progress that I'm going to. I'm like so excited, you don't understand. The smile that's there is genuine, my dudes, to finally see this car turned on. And so many small dreams to a bigger dream, steps by steps. But I thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, comment. And we're going to catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully, it may be out in the streets. Or I may actually be at Clean Culture. Who knows? All I got to say is stay tuned. Don't miss out. My videos are going to get better and better. And thank you guys so much for watching once again. We're going to catch you guys on the street. And see you guys next time, alright? Deuces. Alright, fam. It's tomorrow, so today. Alright fam, so what's up? We back at it. Today we're gonna be on our way to Alright fam, so that's gonna be it for this video. I sincerely thank you. I thank you all